How to find your languages settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your languages settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here go down. Here you will find profile information, and here you will find birthday. This one, click this pin here, and here just go down. As you see here, you can manage your languages. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.